What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to restore a bank account in Google Pay if it was removed, disconnected, or stopped working. First, open the Google Pay app on your phone and make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, go into Payment Methods. This is where Google Pay shows all your linked bank accounts and cards. If your bank account was removed or is no longer active, you won't see it listed. To restore it, tap Add a Payment Method, then choose Bank Account. Google Pay will prompt you to select your bank from the list or search for it manually. Next, follow the on-screen steps to verify your bank account. Depending on your bank, this may include logging in through your bank's secure page, receiving an OTP code, or confirming small test deposits. Complete the verification fully, or the account won't be restored. If your bank account still shows up but is marked as inactive or not working, tap on it and look for an option to reconnect, re-verify again, or fix issues. In many cases, simply re-verifying the account restores it instantly. If the account doesn't restore after verification, try clearing the Google Pay app cache, updating the app to the latest version, and reopening it. Also, make sure your phone number and Google account details match what your bank has on file. As the last step, if nothing works, you can contact Google Pay support directly from the app. Go to Help or Support, explain that your bank account was removed or disconnected, and they can guide you through restoring it. And that's it. That's how you restore a bank account in Google Pay and get payments working again. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.